Hey, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? All right, that's good. Okay, so today I'm coming to you with my monthly Degustabox. So here we go. It's this box here. Or should I turn it around the other side? I don't know. Should I turn it around the other side? I don't know which side is better. Yeah, we'll do it that way. Yeah, there we go. Thumbnail. Yay! All right, there we go. So, Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It is not a beauty box. Surprise, surprise. It's a snacks and treat box. So it's a box that provides sort of store cupboard ingredients, usually from fairly big, well-known brands. It allows them to show off any new products they've got, or new ranges that they've got, new fragrances, new flavors, that sort of thing, or new mixtures, formulas, all that sort of thing. Sometimes we'll get a complete new brand in here. They will sort of launch themselves, promote themselves in a Degustabox. You'll get sort of you'll get about 10 items inside the box. Sometimes you get a drink, sometimes you get a treat. It's usually store cupboard ingredients, so it'll be interesting to see what I've got. And the other thing that I'm going to find interesting is to see how my mind reacts to the products now. So for those of you who don't know, I have started weight loss injections. I'm using Mounjaro. I'm in my week 3 now, so going through my week 3, and my response to food now is different. It is completely different. So I've noticed that, you know, I'm not like, oh, gotta have some, I've got to eat this or whatever immediately. That's not there, and that's one of the things. So I'm interested to see how I react to the products this month. Right, let's have a look. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Right, there's always a few leaflets and things in here, so I'll do the leaflets first. Right, what have we got? We have got first leaflet is golden ticket Degustabox. Oh, it's just a prize draw thing, I think, for Degustabox. There's that. Then we have got new heat to eat done easy meals from Tilda. So we've got, it looks like they're doing little meals and things now. I do like Tilda sort of microwave rice. I do love those. I always get those each week. Depending on who's on offer, so I might get Tilda's version, I might get other brands' version, but at the moment Tilda is the one that's got the best offer at the moment, so I am getting it a lot. We tend to always get golden vegetable because that's the one everybody in my family likes, even though I do like some other flavours, but golden vegetable is the one which is universal in my household. We've also got here, we're now £100 Morrison's voucher, Flavour It Garden Mint. I don't know what that is, but I expect it might be in the cupboard. I have got something, because I'm looking at that packaging. I'm sure I've got something in my spice area with this already. I'm sure I have, but don't know if I've used it or not. And here's the information about the products in the box. So, and there is a product of the month. So shall we start with the product of the month? So product of the month is the Tilda item. So it's a Tilda Limited Easy Meals. Okay, let's see if I can find that. Here we go. So we've got Tilda, right, Tilda Limited Easy Meals. So you can either get sun-dried tomato and beans, 250 grams, or you can get Easy Meals chickpea korma. Okay, and it looks like, because it's red, I'm assuming this is the sun-dried tomato. This is the sun-dried tomato and beans. Okay, and what is it? So they're saying this will cost £2.50. It is a new product to the Tilda range. Elevate your lunch with new Tilda Easy Meals, perfect for those on a time crunch who enjoy delicious and nutritious food for lunch. Ready in 2 minutes, no hassle, no stress, just exactly what you need to get you through the rest of the day. Source of protein, fibre and 1 of 5 a day. No artificial colours, flavours and preservatives. Suitable for vegetarians. 1 pouch equals 1 serving, and it's available in Sainsbury's. And we'll get one of these in a box. Do they say how many calories it is? Oh, it's under 250 calories, so that's cool. See, something like this, I don't think I could eat this just by itself. I'd take half of it and mix it and have it with rice, and I'd be quite happy with that as a meal. So that's cool. And I know that will go down well. Me and my daughter will definitely eat that. My daughter will probably get to it first. All right, let's go through the other things here. So we have got here some heart-baked bread. Okay. Let's have a look. What's the information here? So this is Slur Stone Oven Baguette White, £1.65. A delicious stone oven baked baguette made with sourdough. Only the finest 100% natural and organic ingredients are used for this Slur Stone Oven Baguette White. The unique process creates flavorful, soft crumb and a thin, crispy crust, perfect for a sandwich, soup or barbecue. So tasty. Available at Tesco's and HelloFresh. Okay, so this would actually go quite well with this, wouldn't it? So if you're not going to have rice, you could definitely have sort of half of that. So I think, me personally, I think microwave this could serve two, and this cut in two after it's baked would serve two. So this would provide two people's lunch, in my opinion. So that's cool. Did I say how much it costs? They say it costs, yeah, £1.99. Okay, all right. So that's lunch, and it's something that's going to get eaten, definitely. So that's all cool. What have we got here? This is from Ritter Sport, and it's a nut pouch, £3.50. Discover a selection of our favourite mini varieties with the Ritter Sport Nut Selection pouch. Each pouch contains 7 minis packed with crunchy, roasted hazelnuts coated in a creamy white milk or smooth dark chocolate making. It's a perfect for sharing, gifting or I'm going to read that all again because I was reading that really badly. So this is from Ritter Sport Nut Pouch, and it's £3.50. Discover a selection of our favourite mini varieties with the Ritter Sport Nut Selection pouch. Each pouch contains 7 minis packed with crunchy roasted hazelnuts coated in creamy white milk or smooth dark chocolate, making it perfect for sharing, gifting or enjoying on your own. Packed in a handy paper pouch, it's the ultimate treat for any nut and chocolate lover. Available in major UK supermarkets. Okay. I just want to open this to see what this is like, because I do love nuts. Nuts are good. Not from the dark chocolate, but in small amounts it'll be okay. Alright, so, oh, I see, it's like this. So this would be okay, I think, for me to have, as I could bring this and have this as something with my lunch, and that would kind of stop the, I don't know if it would work against me or for me to help me with my sweet cravings. I haven't got the sweet cravings at the moment, but if they start, this is something I probably could have. I just need to have a look and see what the calorie is for each of those. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. It serves a function. It can work. Alright, next is, what's this? We have got this. I don't know what this is. This is Sweet Dough Things. Vegan, sugar-free candy floss. Really? And it's £1.99. At Sweet Dough Things, we believe indulgence and wellness should go hand in hand. Our vegan-friendly sugar-free candy floss delivers the nostalgic sweetness of traditional candy floss without compromise, with a light, airy texture and delicious flavours. Our premium candy floss is perfect for corporate gifting, retail and events. Enjoy the magic of candy floss without the sugar. Available on www.sweetdoughthings.co.uk, and we'll get one in a box. This doesn't appeal to me at all, but I'll give it to Kayla. Kayla will have that because I don't see anybody in my household eating that at all. So yeah. Right, what we got here? We've got a drink. Yep, I like stuff like this, but ooh, if it's zero calories, I will have this. So this is from San Pellegrino, and it's San Pellegrino Zero Pesca and Clementina. All right, so this will be fine for me. £1.30. Our sparkling pesca and clementina drink embodies the essence of an Italian summer, sweet sun-ripened peaches and clementines blended together for a bold, balanced burst of flavour. And the best part, it's made of Italian fruit juice and has zero added sugar. Indulge in the true Italian way of life with every sip of San Pellegrino, Pesco and Clementina, available in Tesco's. Contains naturally occurring sugar. Okay, so that's something I can have, like, say, with dinner. I might have that later on with my dinner, to be honest. That'd be a nice little treat. Away from water. All counts, doesn't it? Can I count that as water? I don't know. I suppose I can just count it as liquid, can't I? Yeah, I don't think I can count it as water, so... It's a shame. I look for anything to count as water. Well, then I can count tea, so why can't I count that? Let me know what you think, I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we got. We have got here Yoshima Coffee Company. Okay, this is something I will probably let my husband have. So, this is Yoshima Coffee Company and it's an iced latte, £2. They're the inventors behind the world's first canned coffee, created by our founder Mr. Yoshima in Japan in 1969, after he sought a coffee which could be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Discover coffee on the go from the people who invented it, crafted the Japanese way for exceptional flavour. Available at yoshimacoffeecompany.com. Okay, there we are. Again, it depends on calories whether I can have it. Let's have a look. So this is 250 mils and calories are 75 calories. It's not too bad actually. So that is something I could probably have during the day if I'm feeling exceptionally tired. Oh, I forgot to mention in my previous video about side effects, one of the things I've been suffering from is coldness. So yes, I'll do that as an add-on. Right, we've got some sweets here. Oh dear. Right, I know I'm not going to be having this, but we'll see how the cravings go. Right, so this is Frutella. Everybody knows Frutella. Berries and cherry stick. 65p each. Frutella berries and cherry stick is a perfect on-the-go treat or for sharing with friends and family. Made with real fruit juice and only natural colourings and flavours, Frutella is a delicious treat that's also vegan, dairy, gluten and nut-free. Available in a majority of independent stores. You should receive 2 items in your box. So there's 1. Oh yeah, here we go. 2. So we got that. I'm not tempted by it at the moment, but who knows how I feel later in the week. We've got another one of these. This is Flavour, so that was in the card. This is the Flavour People Flavour It Garden Mint, £1.10. The perfect seasoning to fill your Easter roast with flavour. A classically British marinade seasoning with a blend of refreshing sweet mint and a hint of rich tomato. Just sprinkle it, cook and enjoy for fuss-free flavour. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, yeah, that's how I'll use it. They've told me how to use it. I will use it like that. So when I'm doing my Sunday roast for Easter, or whatever day it's going to be, it'll probably be on a Sunday. I'll use this, but I'll probably also go with my other seasonings as well. But I usually use mint in my seasoning, and I usually put mint in the gravy as well. So yeah, cool. We're up with that. We're okay with that. It's good. What is this? Gouda cheesies. I do like Gouda cheese, but Gouda cheese flavoured things I'm not so sure about. Gouda, so this is cheesies and its flavour is Gouda, it's 20 grams. This is £1.50. Mild doesn't mean bland. Gouda cheesies are here to prove that. The smooth and mellow cheese will make you do a bit of a happy dance. Just us? Cheesies have taken Gouda and made it crunchy and fridge-free. Yeah, we know, it's great. It's 100% Gouda and literally nothing else. Available in Holland & Barrett, Ocado, and Amazon, werethecurators.com. So is it just cheese and nothing else? Okay. Just cheese, baked till crunchy. Okay. I can go with that. It's 20 grams and calories, it's 119 calories. But I do like cheese. I'm just trying to think when I would eat that. And there's no craving for it. Because normally I'd want to snap it open. Because with cheese is something I would normally just tear open and start eating straight away. So the fact that I didn't want to do that, that's kind of cool. Is there anything else in here? What's this? We've got a big thing going on here. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. We've got a little Easter treat going on here. So we've got a mini chocolate selection from whom? Let's have a look. Ritter Sport. So we got Ritter Sport again. This is a selection box and it's worth £7.50. This lovingly curated collection of our iconic Ritter Sport minis delivers an utterly delicious and truly indulgent variety of flavours and textures, from our crunchiest whole hazelnuts to our crispiest cornflakes. Obsessed with quality and always made with 100% certified sustainably sourced cocoa, we pour endless love into every square to bring you the ultimate chocolate experience. Available in major UK supermarkets. Well, that's a nice treat, isn't it, for Easter, I think. That's cool. And that's our box. So yeah, I think most of the things in this box can be eaten. I think these two products are going to be sort of favourites, to be honest, between me and my daughter. So I'm definitely going to encourage us to have this for a lunch one day. And I'll bake those two. That is good. Probably I'll do that on a day when I'm working from home. These little cheesy things I'm interested in. I could see me having that as a snack. It might be alright, it might work with my Mounjaro journey, but again, it all depends on what my mouth is saying and what my belly is saying. This I'm definitely going to be using for the Sunday roast on Easter. We've got the sweeties, we have the coffee, which myself and my husband will have. Basically, what I'm pleased with, the only thing that was a bit of a was the candy floss thing. But I'm going to give this to Kayla and see what she thinks. But I think everything else in the box was actually okay. This as well, all good. I think what I'm looking at is looking at things that I can use on my Mounjaro weight loss journey, and all of these things come in a format that I can use, so nothing's going to be crazy in calories. I can take small amounts and give myself little treats from time to time, because the one thing I don't want is to be bored with food, because I love food, but I don't just like eating for the sake of eating. I like eating interesting food, flavorful foods. I like food. I spend a lot on food. I like food. So I think everything here are things that I can go with and I can eat and I can incorporate into my weight loss journey. So that's all good. I'm happy with that. But guys, you tell me what you think. All right. I'll see you soon. Look after yourselves. Take care.